Passion red embodies the energy, strength and passion to create possibility in the kitchen. Sleek chrome accents celebrating 100 years of KitchenAid brand. Removable 8 blending arm with fixed S blade to quickly blend ingredients. Soft grip handle with non-slip and comfortable grip. 2 speeds and a powerful motor to blend and puree with ease. Model KHB1231QHSD includes 8 blending arm with fixed S blade, 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid. This item is not cordless. Add iconic style to your kitchen with this unique, limited edition KitchenAid hand blender. This hand blender features a modern, passion-inspired color, custom chrome finishes, and 8-in blending arm. Quickly and easily blend anything from smoothies to soup and so much more. With 2 speeds and a powerful motor you can blend and puree with ease. And, the soft grip handle offers a non-slip and comfortable grip while continuously blending ingredients. Top reviews from the United States. So pretty. This is a well-made toaster and is beautifully designed. The only thing that bothers me about it is the power cord. It's very sturdy and well made, but it's ugly and very there. I think that if you have an outlet that is in the counter instead of on the wall, it would look much better. As it is, I hide the cord behind my utensil holder. As far as the toaster itself, it's gorgeous. I love to use it and I love to look at it. It is a bit pricey, but I am very happy that I bought it. It adds a very interesting touch of color into my kitchen. Every time I walk by it, I think about how much I love it.